Hello students, today we are starting exercise 1E. Question number 1 of this exercise is the temperature of fridge compartment of refrigerator is set at 8 degrees Celsius. The freezer compartment is set at minus 10 degrees Celsius. What is the difference between these temperature settings? So what they have given? Fridge compartment has 8 degrees Celsius temperature and freezer compartment is set at minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, the fridge compartment is 8 degrees Celsius and temperature of freezer is minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, now what is the difference between these temperature settings? They are asking for the difference. So find the difference. 8 degrees Celsius minus bracket, as I already told you that whenever any number is given with the sign, try to enclose it into the bracket. Okay, minus 10 degrees Celsius. Now open the bracket. 8 degrees Celsius minus plus 10 degrees Celsius, which is 8 plus 10 is 18 degrees Celsius. So the difference of the temperature of these two settings is 18 degrees Celsius, which is your answer. Next question, question number 2. A car moves 17 kilometer north from a point A. एक कार है. Suppose this is a car and this is the point A. Okay, from point A this car moves 17 kilometers. This is 17 kilometers. In which direction? In the north direction. Okay, and then moves 14 kilometers towards south. If this direction is north, obviously this direction will be south. Okay, now in this direction it moves 14 kilometer on the same road. So this distance is 14 kilometer. They are asking for this distance. Okay, so they said 17 kilometer from a point A in the north direction and then 14 toward the south along the same road. If the distance toward north is represented as positive integer, they said if a person is moving towards north or the car is moving towards north, we will take it as positive. So we will write plus 17 kilometers. Okay, if this direction is positive, opposite direction will be negative. Okay, next, then how will you represent the distance toward the south? If from towards north we are taking 17 kilometer in positive, towards south we will take minus 14 kilometer. And they are asking for the distance. Distance find out कर रहे हैं ना. 17 kilometers minus 14 kilometers. Okay, 17 minus 14 is 3 kilometers. This distance. Okay, so from A point this is 3 kilometer in north direction, and they said north is represented by positive integer, so this will be positive. Okay, so what were they asking? By which integer you represent its final position from A? So we will represent its final position by plus 3 kilometers. This is your answer. Next, question number 3. Reena climbs up 5 stairs every second. In 1 second, Reena climbs up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stairs. And in first second में क्या किया? 5 stairs up, and then in second 2 stairs down. So in 2 seconds, first and 2, if we calculate, total distance Reena covers is 3 stairs upward. Okay, so Reena climbs upstairs every second 5 stairs. She climbs down next second. How many stairs? 2 stairs. So up के लिए we will take plus and for down के लिए we will take minus. Now Reena climbs upstairs in 2 seconds. फर्स्ट सेकंड में इतना क्लाइंब अप कर रहे हैं, सेकंड सेकंड में इतना क्लाइंब डाउन कर रहे हैं नेक्स्ट सेकंड में. ओके, सो टोटल स्टेयर्स कवर्ड इन 2 seconds will be 5 minus 2. We will add these two numbers. So this is 3. So in 2 seconds, Reena climbs up 3 stairs. Okay, they are asking for 60 stairs. So firstly we will find for one stair. If you want to find for one stair, this will be in denominator. One stair is equals to, one stair Reena covers in 2/3 seconds. Now for 60 stairs, multiply by 60. 60 multiply 2/3 seconds. 3 2s are 6, 0. So 40 seconds is your answer. It was very simple question. What you have done, in first second Reena was climbing up 5 stairs, so this was in positive. In next second she was climbing down 2 stairs, that means it will be in negative. So total stairs covered in 2 seconds, we will add them, this will be 3. You know now, plus 5 plus minus 2, when you will add them you will get 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, now 3 stairs she climbs up in 2 seconds. 1 stairs का निकालना है, so you will divide it 2/3, or you can say 2 divided by 3 seconds. For 60 stairs you will multiply, so multiply by 60. Here you are getting the answer, this is 40 seconds. Next question, question number 4. Start with the integer -8. -8 से start करते हैं. Add -12 to it. इसमें -12 क्या कर देते हैं, add कर देते हैं. Let's check what we are getting. -8 plus minus -12, it means both have same sign, so values will be added -20. Okay, this we have calculated. Now next step, subtract 10 from the result. What is the result? -20. So -20 में से what will you do? Subtract करेंगे 10. Both have same sign, so values will be added. 20 plus 10 is 30. That will be of minus sign because both have same sign. Next, divide the result by +3. This is the result. So divide this result by +3. So what will you get? 30 divided by 3 is 10, and only one negative sign is here, so we will put minus sign. Next, multiply the answer by -2. So this answer will be multiplied by -2. In multiplication, minus minus become plus, and 10 2s are 20. So final answer is 20. Okay, step by step we are doing this question. Firstly we have taken 8 -8. In that -8 we have added -12. So -8 plus -12 is -20. Then from the result we have subtracted 10. So -20 minus 10 will be -30. Then divide the result by +3. We have divided the result by +3. What we have found here? -10. And then we have multiplied it by -2. So minus minus plus and then 20. This is your answer. Next, Arnav had ₹20 with him. So this will be of plus sign, plus 20, ₹20. Okay. Next, he spent ₹8 on Monday. He spent, so this will be of minus sign, minus ₹8. Next, got ₹5 as pocket money. He got the money, so this will be of plus sign, plus ₹5. Then gave ₹7 loan to a friend on Wednesday. वेंसडे को मनी दी है, सो दैट विल बी ऑफ माइनस साइन, माइनस ₹7. Then 8 ice cream for worth ₹10. He ate the ice cream now, so he will give money to the shopkeeper, so that will be subtracted. Money कम हो जाएगी, कम means minus ₹10. Receive reward means plus, so plus ₹5. Next, how much money does he have on Sunday if his friend repays the loan? That means जो friend ने loan लिया था, he repays it. He has given that money, so it will be plus ₹7. Now they're asking for the total money which Arnav have on Sunday. So simply find the total money. Plus, I'm taking rupees common, plus 20 minus 8 plus 5 minus 7 minus 10 plus 5 plus 7. Add them. Firstly, add the positive value 20 plus 5 25 plus 5 30 plus 7 37. So in positive we have 37 rupees. Then negative value 8 plus 7 15 plus 10 25. Okay. Now both the numbers have different signs, so subtract them. 37 minus 25 is 12. So on Sunday, Arnav have ₹12. Next question, question number 6 is, a submarine left the surface of water. Suppose this is the surface of water. Left the surface of water at the rate of -2 meter per second. That means per second, हर एक सेकेंड में वो कितना डीप जा रही है? 2 meters. Okay. Why they have written minus sign here? Because submarine is moving downwards, इसीलिए minus sign use किया. Okay. But if we want to calculate its speed cannot be negative. Speed कभी negative नहीं हो सकती. So we can simply say that speed of submarine is 2 meter per second. Submarine was moving downward, that's why they have written minus sign. Okay. At that rate, how long would that take the submarine to reach -60 meters level? That means they want to move the submarine till the level 60 meters. वो 60 meter down move करना चाहते हैं submarine को. Okay. And its speed is 2 meters. So simply you can write speed of submarine is 2 meter per second. Why I have written per second? Because 2 meters it is moving downward per second, एक second में. Okay. Now total distance want to cover is 60 meters. How long would that take? They are asking for the time. So time is equals to distance upon speed. Distance is 60 meters and speed is 2 meter per second. If this is in second, you will get the time in seconds now. So 2 30s are 60. So the submarine will take 30 seconds to reach the level -60 meters. Okay. Now your exercise 1E is completed. Practice as much as possible. If you have doubt in any question, you can contact me personally. Thank you. Have a good day.